Hello guys, welcome to another quick tip. Today we are talking about these valve caps for the wheels, for the rims, why they are so important and why a bad quality one can leave you stranded on the middle of the road. I don't know about you guys, but here in Portugal this is becoming a really big problem, and a problem that tends to be worse when you have sensors on your wheels. We get to that in a second. Now, I work with wheels for a long time now, and what I usually see is people buying these Chinese crap valve caps. What usually happens with these caps, as you are tightening the cap over here, the problem is corrosion, okay? And the cap stays attached to the valve itself. Now, the big problem with that is, imagine that you have a puncture or whatever, you need to fill up your tire, and you cannot remove this cap. Whatever you do, you cannot remove it. Sometimes with a pair of pliers, it works. But sometimes what happens is as you are trying to unscrew this, you actually are twisting the valve itself, okay? And if it's just a valve, there is no extra problem, but you still are unable to inflate your tires. Now, there are some good quality caps, like this one, for example. You can buy this on the tire shops. That are trustworthy. This one is also good, very good actually, and long lasting, the chrome. But okay, the best one is always the plastic one, because no corrosion over here. Okay, now just one more thing. Imagine that you have those sensors that are all metal. What usually happens, and it happens a lot on the first types of TPMS sensors, as you are doing this type of cap, the screw on the sensor is not this material, is more like aluminum, and it's really bad. You are trying to unscrew the cap, and the sensor actually breaks off on the valve itself, and then you have to buy a whole new set of sensor or try to repair it. On the modern cars, you may think you don't have a sensor on your wheel, but actually what do you have? It's an evolution of the TPMS sensor. That is a normal valve, or appears to be a normal valve, but over there you have metal. The metal comes out all the way, and it has a place to attach. I don't have a sensor, I'm sorry. Imagine this is a sensor, and you have a place to attach the sensor inside of the wheel, okay? The looks from outside, it appears to be a normal valve, but on the inside you have the sensor. Now, what do you think it will happen when you are trying to twist off the cap? The cap does not come off, and you are actually twisting the valve on the rim. What will happen is you will break off the sensor. The sensor will break off from the valve because you are twisting this and the sensor is touching the rim. Now maybe like this it will be easier for you to understand. You are trying to twist off the cap, and you are actually twisting the valve body itself, and the sensor that sits over here, it will step off. It will twist off the sensor, and then the sensor falls into your wheel and starts to make noise inside the wheel, and you have obviously an error. May have an error on your TPMS sensor because the sensor continues to work even though it is separated from your valve body. So can you understand why is this so serious? A simple, for free, this is for free. These caps, these plastic caps, are for free when you are mounting your tires. By the way, if you are assembling new or used tires, always ask for replacing the valve, because sometimes they become really brittle and really rotten. As you are trying to twist off the cap, you can actually separate the metal from the rubber because it is so rotten. So always make sure to use new, high quality, normal but high quality valve bodies, and try to use the plastic caps that come with the valves, okay? In the modern cars, you can see that this problem actually can mean hundreds of euros, of dollars of expense for you. Now, I hope you like this channel. I hope you like this quick tip. I hope you can understand why I'm trying to pass here. As always, if you want, leave a like on the video, please share with your friends and consider subscribe. See you next time, guys. Bye.